Oh no, one of them's broken. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie and I upload a new video every Friday. I have to be honest with you guys, this week has been difficult for me. I could go for some retail therapy. So instead of your regularly scheduled programming, we are going to open this bag of accessories from Shein that I ordered 2 months ago and forgot about. I'm gonna have to edit out a lot of plastic crinkling, so I apologize if this video is very choppy. This is like too much crinkling. We'll just call it ASMR. I don't know what this was. Oh, it's probably this. It was a pack of 2 necklaces. This was $2.50 for both. Those are really cute. I don't particularly like gold, so I might see if a friend wants this gold one, but the black one, that's really cool. I like it. This was $2. This is the bat charm necklace. I can't believe how cute that is. Can you see it? The next necklace that I bought, the metal skeleton pendant necklace, this was also $2. They're not like the craziest quality, but for $2, the fact that it's sturdy metal, this is really cute. And I almost think that I would like this made into a single dangly earring, like 80s style. So I might do that. I think that might be fun. I see a lot of people with a similar chain where it's like a chain with the spikes on it. Let's try this one on actually. I have what we could call a thick neck. Yeah, see, this is like a choker on me. And I think that this is meant to be more of like a chain, but I got a neck, okay? It's cute, but I would almost, for my thick old neck, my tree trunk, I think what I'd like to do is get a necklace extender so that it can maybe come down to here. This rivet necklace was $3.50, so even though I need to do some modifications, still worth it. Okay, so that's the jewelry. Let's move on to the hair accessories. Oh no, one of them's broken. So I got this pack of hair clips. This is the one that came broken. You can see. That's kind of a bummer, but considering this whole pack of 4 was only $2, I'm not that torn up about it. And honestly, it's worth it for that price, because these are nice to just have a ton of and lose. So I'm excited to use those. It came with a small one too, which will be good for pinning my bangs out of the way when I need to. That is a look that I am not feeling today. I am very glad that they have their Halloween stuff on the website year round, because like I said, I placed this order in December. I was able to get for $2.50 this skeleton hand hair clip. I mean, this is kind of fun. A couple of years ago, a friend of mine had a tea party themed bridal shower, and I wore like all black, like Zelda Spellman inspired kind of outfit with a black tea hat. And I could imagine something like this would have been really cute to incorporate into that outfit. So I'm really excited about this. I think that this is totally worth it for $2, totally. Oh no, this came broken too. I think that it's just super glued on, so I can fix it. I like to use these just not really to go anywhere, but when I'm going to do my skincare routine and wash my face, I just like to pin my hair out of my face, and then I'll put the rest of it like in a bun or something. Oh, I'm running out of places to put all of this. These were each $1 a piece. I got this black velvet scrunchie and this black and white checkered scrunchie. They might be good for going to the gym and just throwing my hair back in a ponytail, which I do, but I usually will wear like the telephone cord hair ties because I like how snug they are without pulling my hair. That actually brings me to the next thing I bought, which I'm not going to take out of the plastic, so I apologize for the crinkling. It comes in a pack of 20, so I don't want to open it all the way and take them all out because I don't know what I'm going to do with all of these. But it's a pack of 20 hair ties. I thought that they Okay, it was $2.50 for 20 of these, and that kind of is showing in the quality. This is what I was expecting. This is like the Scunchy brand or whatever, you know, the one that you get at like Sally's or Ulta. So this is what I kind of was expecting, and this is what I got. Technically, this is what I'm getting what I paid for. Oh, this is the issue. Instead of it being a uniform piece of cord, it looks like they just, you probably can't see this. It looks like they just hot glued the ends together. That's why it snapped so quickly. $2, I'll try them, I'll wear them till they break, and that's fine with me. It is a little disappointing, but it's not the end of the world. The next thing I got was socks and footwear, actually. This first pair of socks was $2. So cute. They have little skeleton skulls on them, and they feel like they're actually pretty good quality. Compared to some of the other things that we've opened already today, these could have fallen apart as soon as I touched them, but I think they're gonna work, and I think they're gonna actually last. These were the more expensive socks. They were $3 for a pair, but I missed the sale at Old Navy this year. I know they usually do like fuzzy socks for $1, and pandemic, so I didn't leave the house. So I missed my pair of fuzzy socks this year. So I ordered this black and white pair, and I'm very, very excited to wear fuzzy socks that are not obnoxiously Christmas themed. So I will take it. The last pair of socks that I got were $1.50. These were, you know, the cheapest socks, and it does kind of look like it, but they're cute. They're just a black pair of socks with a screen printed dancing skeleton image there. The reason I think that it is kind of cheap is the screen printed skeletons. Yeah, see, his skull is already kind of peeling. So I imagine I'm gonna get like one good wear out of these before the image is totally gone. And then I got for $13 these black fuzzy slippers. They are like velvety, like the plush blanket material. They're so cozy, and I cannot wait to wear them around the house in my black robe and just be the dramatic bougie girl that I am in my heart. I had a pair almost exactly like this in my Amazon wish list that was over twice the price. I think they were like $30. For $13, this is a great deal. I'm a chunky girl, and I have a hard time finding belts that fit me. So for $2.50, I got this belt. It has grommets all the way through to the end, which I love because that means there's more opportunities for me to have it fit the right size that I need it to. And it's got this cute little heart buckle. Yeah, just to kind of add a waist to some things. I think that's really cute. And I'm excited that it fits with room to spare, so I don't have to have it super tight. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. Cool. I'm not gonna try this on right now because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to figure out how to put it on. It's a waist belt with harness straps for $6. That's a good deal. But how does it work? This is crazy. It smells like real leather. Oh, actually, this might not be too difficult to figure out. I think it goes like this. Is this right? This kind of sucks that it came bent, because I think that's gonna be kind of annoying to get it to lay flat again. I'm not crazy about where this sits, but I can adjust this, so I'll fix these later. But that's pretty cute, again, to give a little bit of shape to like a boring black dress. I don't hate it. And it was a lot easier to figure out than I thought it would be. Now for what I think is my favorite part of tonight is sunglasses. I bought 4 new pairs of sunglasses, so let's start trying them on. And all of them came with a really nice like fake leather case. So I don't love that these are gold, but they are heart-shaped cat eye rimless sunglasses. I don't think they're polarized. They're just a tinted, a tinted lens. So these were $7. And fun fact, I used to be an optician, so I'm gonna know my sunglasses, okay? These are nice. And as far as like rimless sunglasses go, I've seen like $200 sunglasses with plastic casing holding the rimless mount together, and this is like metal nuts and bolts. So this is actually like really good quality considering it was only $7. And I did, because I'm an optician, I did make sure to get sunglasses that I knew would fit me based on the lens and bridge size because I have a wider head. These are fun. They're not quite a cat eye, but they do angle out, and I really like that about them. These are like classic movie star glasses in my opinion, and I dig it. They feel a little bit less quality than the rimless ones felt, but that's to be expected, and they were still only $4. I don't mind getting a few pairs of cheap sunglasses because I'm the person that absolutely loses them. Now these were for... I just realized I didn't order these. I like these. I actually have a pair in my car that almost look exactly like this, but I'm still gonna wear these. I'm back. I did get the glasses. So, but I don't see that other pair of cat eyes on my invoice, so they must have just sent me an extra pair of sunglasses, which I'm not gonna complain about. But these are the ones that I ordered. I love this shape. I think that it kind of suits my face pretty well, and it's fun. You know, when you wear all black everything, you never really get to, for sunglasses especially, you never get to like branch out. And I think this is a nice way of adding a little bit of like glamorous funkiness to sunglasses. I dig them. Okay, back to wherever we were. The last pair of sunglasses is probably, they feel the cheapest, but they are the most fun. These were also $4. I don't even know what it looked like because all I see is red. This is weird. They say that you want like rose-colored glasses, but I don't know, I do like it. Yeah, I do. But they're cute. There's no frame to them. It's all one plastic piece. And it's a very thin plastic, so I am afraid of mishandling them and them cracking or breaking. But for $4, it's kind of cute and fun, and I will wear them once in a blue moon just for a little extra zhuzh. Well, thank you guys for doing that with me. That did definitely put me in a better mood. If you like anything that I tried on today, I do have links for everything, every item in the description. And actually those are affiliate links. So if you do decide to purchase anything, it does help support my channel. I don't ever want to make anyone feel pressured to like buy anything on my behalf. So I just wanted to be upfront with you guys that those links are affiliate links. So that was my first order with Shein. That was the first time I ever ordered with Shein. It does kind of suck that some of the things came broken, but that's just part of the game of ordering stuff online. You always risk that something's gonna get damaged during transit. And considering everything was fairly inexpensive, I don't think I paid more than $10 for anything, except for the slippers. I'm really happy with this purchase, and I can't wait to try some of their other things in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye. I just give up.